Hey, you may not be able to hear me very well, but today is the 27th of July, 2018. Here are the date and time just to show you that it really is today. Hopefully you can see that in the viewfinder. Okay, so let me zoom in so I can get back to where I was trying to get at. That should be full zoom, okay? All right, great. So now, there we go, great. So I was asked by somebody about this model here. Does it record? All right, and the other thing, just so I can be sure, this is this channel here, okay, and then this is the other channel here, okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'll wide out. I don't want to spook y'all. So that's pretty good. Okay. So now I'm going to take this. Now what I have plugged into the back here is I have an old-timey, can we see that? I can barely see it. I have an old-timey singular microphone, just a one plug-in deal, all right? And then over here, which is entangled in all these wires here, is another old-timey one, but with a on-off switch, okay? So it's currently in the on position, all right? So now what I'm going to do is rotate the whole thing around. I got to keep up. Okay, this is the remote control one that goes over here. All right. I could have been recording this whole time. Let's do that. Let's just hit the one button, record. Okay. Set the 0 there so I can be recording. Let's see. I got this tangled around this wire here. All right. So, and then this is definitely that wire. Okay, that goes there. All right. So now. Let's see here. Is that centered in the camera? No, we need to. Well, okay. Let me just walk back to the thing here. And before I do that, let me just make sure that I said something over on this side, which is the recording indicator light thing, which you really can't see in the sun, but there it is. That's rolling along. We did start it at 0, so. Let me flip the camera around, or the viewfinder for the camera, so I can see. So, all right, so, yeah, there we go. So we've got, I brought a few extra radios out here just to keep me entertained, okay? So 3 minutes, wow. Oh, that's right. All right, so here, let me come back up here to this and continue onward. All right. Now we have, okay. So now I should be talking to this one here, which does not have the remote control, okay? No remote control on this one, okay? And this is the external mic plugged into the back, all right, which I hope that I showed, all right? And then if I walk around the table here to keep everything straight, talking to the one with the remote control. Of course, if I hit stop, it stopped, nothing recorded. And now I just turned it back on again, so there's a brief blip in the music of me talking. And I should be talking to this microphone. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to unplug the microphone with the plug in it. Here it is. So I'm going to lean over, talk to this, make a note of the time, about 33. Okay, so 33, like that. All right, and then if I walk back over here, I'm talking to this one here, see if it records. It does. Okay, so I'm going to unplug it. All right, so now that's unplugged, and now I'm going to talk and lean over to this one. Remember, you started at 33 with the 19120 Midland, okay, on 27 July 2018. There we go. All right, and then lastly, I want to flip it to the radio. All right, so flip it to the radio. Well, that works. Now what I want to do is I want to flip it back to tape. I'm going to hit the stop on the tape. Okay, because what I want to do is I want to take, now here's a CD player which has a 3.5 millimeter to a Y adapter with 2 phono plugs. And I can't see that. And if you know where to look and search and everything like that, you can find one of these adapters, which looks like this. This is a 3.5 millimeter to a dual mono 3.5 millimeter plug. All right, so it's just a short little thing. Okay, but it goes from that end to this end. And as I was just checking this out, if I'm going to plug this into the, I'll plug this into the line out, because this player has line out as well as a headphone jack. Okay, so I'm just going to plug it in here to the back, into the microphone jacks. Okay, so left and right. All right, and now it's not playing. So if I turn this on, bear with me. See here. Oh no, it's hit. Okay, and I get this to rolling along. Okay. And that's just amazing. But now if I take this very same thing and plug it into the headphone jack and modulate the volume, I can actually get, now you may hear briefly a little bit that, well, depending on the radio station it's plugged into, you might hear a little bleed through of the radio, but if you can get over that, you can ramp the volume on your CD player or whatever you input to the thing via the microphone jacks to this, like this. You can play this through this, which I thought was interesting, since it does not have a traditional line in with a selector switch. So you can sit here and you can just bump through different sounds on here. Okay, so that's the end. This one doesn't do that. This doesn't. Okay, so that's the beginning. All right, so there's that. That one. And of course, you got balance here and you got balance there. And, oh, that's right. Let me stop that. I forgot. And I wasn't recording any of that, but it will here. Let's hit record. All right, so record and go back through. Oh, did it wrong. Hit play. Well, tell me, afraid. Tired of this. All right, so I think I've showed everything. It's got a complete antenna here. You don't need to pull all that out. Let's see, I think I showed the radio working, right? Yeah, the radio's working. It recorded. So the whole thing was, does this thing record? So, and I've been talking to this side over here, and so hopefully, if I go back and play this. All right, so let's check how much time I saved on the camera here. So I've got, what, 8 minutes on the camera and it's been full view. Okay. I don't know what else I can say. Let's just keep it short. It works like the, oh, let's play a music tape. That's right. Let me play a, here's one of my test tapes. Hopefully I'm not close. Here's a, come on. Just can't do this. Too much coffee this morning. Here we go. All right. So now, and then the other thing was is that and then of course it fast forwards now because I fixed that. So that's what that sounds like. And here's a Aldo Nova. Okay, so briefly. Here's a little ELO. Right, so that was the end of that song. So I have no idea what the next song is. Whatever. Flip that over and play the other side. That's all I know. It plays. Oh, let's put this back in, and that's what we need. listening end. So, yeah, I messed up my thing by playing all that. Yeah, this microphone. So now what am I doing? So. That goes there. So now, this side, which is the recording indicator light thing, which you really can't see in the sun, but there it is. That's rolling along. We just started. Well. Well, let me walk back to the thing. Yeah, walk back to the camera. That's rolling along. We just started. One, okay. And this is the external mic plugged into the back. So now, hopefully I showed, all right. And then if I walk around the table here to keep everything straight. Talking to the one with the remote control. Of course, if I hit stop, and now I just turned it back on again, so there's a brief blip in the music or me talking. And I should be talking to this microphone. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to unplug the microphone with the plug in it. Here it is. So I'm going to lean over, talk to this, make a note of the time, about 33. Okay, so 33. Like that, all right? And then if I walk back over here, talking to this one here, see if it records. It does. Okay, so I'm going to unplug it. All right, so now that's unplugged, and now I'm going to talk and lean over to this one. Remember, you started at 33 with the 19120 Midland, okay, on 27 July 2018. There we go. All right, so then lastly, I want to flip it to the radio. All right, so flip it to the radio.
It was a Friday night. Just let it be. Why don't you be?
I'm going to hit the stop. And I think that was it. I can't remember, but hopefully you understand this thing records in both channels with internal microphones and external.
Tell me a favor.
There's the CD. It was bumping to the CD. That's using, my. I think I showed everything. It's got a complete antenna here. No need to pull all that out. Let's see. I think I showed the radio working right. Yeah, the radio's working. I recorded. So the whole thing was this thing. The 5180. Okay, one. Okay, so that's it. So hopefully you enjoyed. You heard all that. It does record. And let's see here. Just 13 minutes. Okay, well we can just. Okay, we're fully wide out. Okay, we're down to the. So what? Just for comparison, this is working. Microphones are behind me. Okay. And then I said, what, 13 minutes would be like 14 minutes. So now this one here has the plug plugged into it. So just unplug the plug. We did hit the power. No, we don't need to hit the power. Just hit the radio. There we go. So much for that. And then, let's see here. I turn this on. Alright, flip it to
action. You got to be real careful.
Okay, so that works. And we got what? This one here, which is that on radio? Let's try and look at this up. So radio. I don't know. Radio, you got to have it in a power on. I didn't plan this. Anyway, so much for that. Just turn that off. I'll get back to that later. later. Okay. Anyway, and then, so I showed that, and that. Let's look at the time. If I get to 16 minutes, I gotta shut it off. 15:09. Alright, so this has got batteries in it. Look at it from the radio. Oh, it's in shortwave, no wonder. Okay, so hit power. Alright, so much for that. So that's going on eBay. So's that, so's that, so's that. This isn't. Alright, so just make that point clear. Alright, so good day, bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed. This all works best I know. I got it to got the tape to fast forward, so hopefully you understand how well it works. Good day, bye-bye. Too much fun today. Bye-bye. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed. Gotta go. Got a few seconds before this thing breaks into two files. I don't want to do that. Bye-bye.